I'm just like a changed person. Like I've got a second chance at life. I feel great. I don't schedule my life now around my aches and pains because they've pretty much dissipated. In conjunction with a fall that I had at home in my kitchen, I had bulged 3 discs and had like crazy bad sciatica and was going to the chiropractor and physical therapist, was trying my best to avoid surgery. I had missed a lot of work and was in a tremendous amount of just twisted up pain. I saw a surgeon who recommended a discectomy, but I wasn't ready to cut into my back. It just seemed like an extreme solution. Rest, ice, heat, ibuprofen, some other pain-killing drugs, which I didn't enjoy, and chiropractic and physical therapy. And I'm off all that since having the surgery done, so I highly recommend it. Came in for my orthotic appointment, ended up talking to Dr. Anderson about his neuropathy program. Did a nerve tunnel decompression on the common and superficial perennial nerve. Having had the surgery at 1 week, I was not taking any pain meds at all. At 3 weeks, I went on vacation for a few days, so that was great. I feel great. I don't schedule my life now around my aches and pains because they've pretty much dissipated. And it has taken care of all my back problems. Like I'm back at work, I've got a new job, I've got my business off the ground, not having any pain. I've resumed like full activity back to life. So it's been great. Came in for new orthotics and left a new woman pretty much. I do, and I have. And the care here is amazing. The follow-up care is amazing. It's amazing. Everybody here is great. They pay attention to detail. They're patient. They have good follow-through. They have great suggestions for things that can help you. I've referred like so many people that I know here because I just think it's the best place to go. So the doctors here are amazing. Like everyone makes time for really getting at the core issues. So they ask really good questions to find out what's really the issue. And then they offer up a variety of solutions. Having gone to a surgeon, surgeons want to cut. So that's like the first thing. Oh, well, we'll just do a discectomy. You're welcome to get a second opinion. And then the guy left. And I felt like I didn't really get any questions answered. I had a 5-minute appointment. I've had Dr. Anderson spend an hour and a half with me, if that's as long as it took on that day, for me to get my questions answered and to feel reassured.